These are the Grain Audio OEHP solid wood over-the-ear headphones. Hi, Dan from Gear Diary. We took a look at Grain Audio's in-ear earbuds and their Bluetooth speaker last year and were totally blown away. Super impressed by the look and the feel, but especially impressed by the sound. We were anxious to finally get our hands on Grain Audio's OEHP solid wood over-the-ear headphones, and they've finally been released. And we're going to take a quick look at them through the unboxing and talk about how they sound. And then we're going to have a full written review over on Gear Diary. Also, in the notes below, you'll find links to our reviews of those in-ear monitors and the Bluetooth speaker. So these are the headphones. The unboxing experience is very, very basic, but actually rather elegant. Not overly done, but certainly not budget and overly simplistic either. The headphones themselves are made of FSC certified walnut with hand-applied oil finish. That's really important. They have 40mm proprietary loudspeakers inside that feature neodymium magnets and a CCAW voice coil. Of course, as I mentioned, they have the inline mic and remote and a TPE jacketed cable. Let's pull the headphones out of the box and take a closer look at them. The headphones ship with some included information, warranty, that sort of thing. They ship with a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable with an inline control and remote. And they ship with an included soft carry bag so you can bring the headphones along with you. Nothing fancy, but certainly enough to get the job done. So the headphones themselves are made from wood, and as they say in the literature, wood, quote, it's wonderful stuff. There's a reason it's used in its solid form for the best acoustic instruments in the world. It just sounds better, and it looks great too, and the distinct grain patterns make each one unique. Each pair of OEHPs feature grain-matched FSC certified solid walnut enclosures. So in fact, I know that when I met with the CEO, the president of the company, Mitch, he talked about the fact that they had to work very, very closely with the factory to make sure that the headphones were going to be grain matched. They wanted to make sure that the wood, it takes an extra step. It's certainly easier not to grain match, but they really wanted to make sure that the headphones looked as beautiful as possible. In addition, the factory kept telling them that it was actually quicker, easier, and less expensive to spray finish the wood, and they insisted on the wood being hand rubbed to get that really nice oil finish on the headphones. In other words, they really go to the extreme when it comes to trying to really make sure that they are producing the most quality, the most beautiful, and the best sounding product they can. The headphones use a proprietary driver that features a neodymium magnet and a CCAW voice coil. What that means is that you're hearing the music the way the artist intended it. There's no fake bass boost. There's no weird mid-range. It's just the pure natural sound as the artist recorded the tracks. Something that we learned about from Linkin Park, Judy and I, when we met with them at CES 2014. They talked about really wanting to make sure that the sound they want on their recordings is the sound that is reproduced. Finally, the design is really simple, but this little mechanism right here for adjusting the headphones, it's 30 different pieces to get it just right. So what you see here is really nice wood finished headphones, the Grain logo right here, a very, very nice but a simple band as well. And you have these ear cups, which they went through a huge amount of testing to get these ear cups right. Initially, they were going to use a much harder material. It looked really unusual when I saw the pictures a number of months ago. And they discovered once they started testing it that they weren't comfortable and you sweat terribly when you were wearing them. So they went back to the drawing boards and ended up with these ear cups, which actually are lighter, softer, and I have no doubt are much more comfortable. So I'm going to stop this video for a few moments. I'm going to listen to the headphones a little bit. This will only be a first look and a first listen to the headphones because obviously I haven't had a chance to really use them. But I did want to get this up as quickly as possible because these will make a phenomenal holiday gift. And if you do want to get them for the holidays for someone you love or for yourself, you really probably want to be placing your order now. So I didn't want to put off recording this video and getting it up. We're actually going to take a little bit more time and have the written review up only after I've done some serious testing with these. So we'll be back in a few moments. So as expected, the headphones sound as good as they look. They are light, they are really, really comfortable, and they sound phenomenal. I love these headphones. I find them to be really unusual. They're not these cookie cutter plastic headphones that have found a huge market, but rather these are very, very refined, very, very nice, relatively light, and sound phenomenal. These are the Grain Audio OEHP solid wood over-the-ear headphones. They have an MSRP of $199. We will have a link to more information on them in the notes below, and we'll also have links to our reviews of the other two products from Grain Audio that we've looked at, and we'll have a written review of these headphones up on Gear Diary sometime in the next couple of weeks. These are the Grain Audio OEHP solid wood over-the-ear headphones. This is Dan from Gear Diary. Thanks very much for watching.